Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Shivank Mitra. I want to help people like you figure out how to use tech in a more favorable way. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you 20 keyboard shortcuts in Google Chrome that you must know. You might know some of them, but I don't think that you will know the majority of them. Now let's begin. So the first one is Control T, which opens a new tab. Then the second one is Control W, which closes the tab. Control W. Then the third one is Control R, which reloads the page, very simply put. Then the fourth one is Control F, which opens up the find bar over here, and then you can search for text on the page, say sign. Then it shows that there is only one search that is matching, and it highlights that search over here. Yeah, so that was the fourth one, I think. Yes, it was the fourth one. And the fifth one is Control Shift T, which opens the last page. Now I won't be able to do it here because I'm browsing as a guest, but you will be able to do it. It is Control Shift T. Now the sixth one is Alt Left and Alt Right. So you can just go back. See, I'm searching here OBS Studio. You can go back. You can go to your previous browsing history with Alt Left, and you can go forward with Alt Right. Yeah. Okay. Then the next one is Control Page Down and Control Page Up. Now what this basically does is it navigates the tabs that are open. So if you do Control Page Up, it will go up one tab. Then you can do Control Page Up, Control Page Up. Then you can do Control Page Down, which basically goes down a tab and goes forward. Very simple. The next one is Control Plus and Control Minus. So Control Plus will just zoom in, Control Minus will zoom out. Okay, so now the next one is Control J for displaying the downloads. So these are the downloads that were made in this user in Chrome. It is not they're not showing any downloads because I'm logged in as a guest currently, so you can try it out. Then the next one is Control L. I find this very useful when I'm just scrolling through a page and I need to go to another page. So when you want to go to another website or another different URL, you click here and you type the URL. But instead, you can just to snap into the search bar or to the URL bar, you can type Control L, and then you can type the website like google.com. Okay, now the next one is Control D. Now Control D is for what's it for? Okay, let's search it. So you can search it with Control E. So when you click Control E, in the URL bar it will automatically open up search Google, and then you can type use of Control E in Google Chrome. Okay, I mean not Control E, I'm very sorry for that. Control D, as a matter of fact. What is the phone? Pressing Control D creates a new bookmark. Okay, I totally forgot that. So Control D. Oh, it is not happening here because I'm logged in as a guest, so it cannot save my bookmarks. Therefore, it is useless in this case. But if you want to create bookmarks quite fast, you can use Control D. Okay, so the next one is Control K. It is kind of like the same thing as Control E, which is opening up the search Google bar. I'll just reload the page. Yeah. Now next one is Control H, which will open up your history. I'm logged in as a guest, therefore I cannot do it. Then there's Control Shift M, which okay, don't tell me I forgot again. I'll just search use of Control Shift M in Google Chrome. If you want to learn how to type fast like I just did, you can click on the top right corner of your screen where I linked to another video, and you can check it out and smash the like button on that video. Now Control Shift M shortcut to really open or toggle the device or toolbar mode. Okay, let me try it. Oh, so you can basically navigate between the different users that are present. I thought so. Just kidding, I didn't think so. Then there's Control Enter, where say you're typing only this much and you don't want to type .com if you're not good with the symbols, then you can type you can type Google, then Control Enter, then it will add the HTTPS, then colon, and then two slashes, then www dot, and at the end it will add .com. So it's very quick if you want to go to websites very fast. Then there is Alt Home, which will basically navigate to the home. Say Alt Home. This only works on Windows. So this was the first page that had popped up. Now if you already have a background and you have customized it with shortcuts, all that, it will open up that specific page. Then there is Alt E, which basically it opens it basically opens up this menu, and then if you type S, it will open up the settings. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please smash down the like button at the bottom of the video and put a nice comment down there. If you have any suggestions regarding this video or other videos, please put it down in the comment section below. Don't mind subscribing to this channel if you want more tech videos like this, and clicking on the post notifications bell so that you don't miss further videos. Thank you.